Hey everyone! Are you ready to catch a glimpse of the future? Today, we're diving into what the 2026 Citroën C3 might bring to the table. From bold designs to cutting-edge technology, let's explore what makes this car one to watch. Citroën has always been a brand that dares to stand out, and the 2026 C3 is expected to be no different. Known for its bold and eye-catching designs, we anticipate the new model to feature a sleek yet distinctive look with modern lines and that unmistakable Citroën flair. Step inside the current C3 and you'll find a world of comfort and practicality. The 2026 model is expected to maintain this tradition with plush seating and smartly designed interiors. On the tech front, look forward to a larger, more intuitive touchscreen infotainment system, seamless smartphone integration, and advanced driver assistance systems to make your drive safer and smarter. Citroën is committed to going green, so the 2026 C3 will likely offer a mix of efficient petrol and diesel engines alongside potential hybrid options. And as always, a smooth, comfortable ride will remain at the heart of the C3 experience, ensuring you'll enjoy every journey. That's it for our sneak peek into the 2026 Citroën C3. Are you as excited as we are to see what this model has in store? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates as we learn more. Thanks for watching Car Release TV, where your next car is just a video away.